Walk in that bit with some racks. Fresh as a definite fact. I be dancing like my jewelry. Get a bag. You know I'm picky with that. Me, she fucking, she know what she doing, B. When I'm in bed, walk it, rock it up.
Is it good? Is it good? Hi, Jenna's vlog. Stop it. Hi, guys. Wait, this is my vlog. We gotta go all the way over here to the bus. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. But, yo, when I feel better, when we get to the hotel room, chicken in the house. Me and Fanny Pack in the cut. Guys, I'm very, very excited. Tomorrow we run. No, because my stomach hurt right now. I can't. This is a nice hotel, guys. I'm telling you, this might be the best hotel we've ever like stayed in for stays. Like, it's actually really nice, and the weather is. Room tour. That's it. Okay. This is a nice little room. It's not too much. Very simple. So we got a nice little mirror. We got a mirror over here. We got another big mirror. And then we got the bathroom. The bathroom is rather nice. You know, something slight. Chat, like it up, chat. She said we're on Twitch. Chat, you think we're going our race tomorrow? Sub up, y'all. Sub up. Click that button, y'all. Sub up, y'all. Nairi, thanks for the sub. Okay. Y'all, I'm finna add the mods because y'all tripping. Get my ice cream. Y'all tripping in this live, man. What? This is not fake. What's fake?
Uno.
Uno out.
No.
What is important to you?
Also, now we just chilling under this gazebo looking place by the pool. And we want to get in the pool so bad. I still haven't had my food yet. Morning upstate. Yes? Me and Sophia doing our skincare routine. How you feel about today?
I better come first in my heat.
Okay, good.
Good morning, guys.
So early in the morning.
Hold Oh, what did it say? Oh, whoa. You got the best of my love.
For the first time in my life, I'm actually like ready to click before everybody else. Today we have 2 A4A states. No, I'm not even nervous, bro. I'm not even nervous right now. Like, I'm just chilling. I have to run 4 events today, and I have to run 5 times. I have to run the 100 semi-finals, the 100 finals because I'm gonna make it to the finals, obviously. 200 4x1, 4x2.
That's it, man.
Every year I gotta run so much, and I end up like hallucinating. Anyways, y'all, feeling stats are not nervous right now. Actually excited. I'm very excited for the 4x1 and 4x2 because, you know. What? Oh. As you guys can tell, our room's the hot spot. Yeah, I'm not nervous right now. I'm just excited because in the 100 I go in with the second fastest time. In the preliminaries I go with the fastest time. In the finals I go with the second fastest time. But you never know. You never know because today might be the day that they lower their time. You know, the times on the sheet right now are just the times from regionals, which regional champion, as y'all know from the other video. I haven't finished editing that yet, but you know, y'all gonna get it before this one. That's it. Here. Already so early in the morning. We're gonna eat up today, right? The relay and everything else. The 100, first place. Alright.
So now your Miller looking kind of 7. Jackson right around 4. In lane that this is heat 1 up 2. Top time coming into this section. This heat 12:09 ran by Jada Lloyd of Redford County. Again, that's 12:09.
Updates. Came second in my preliminaries. Came second in the preliminaries with a time of 12:2 and my fastest is at 12 flat. I don't know. At this point, I'm just ready to just get it over with. At this point. Next up is the 100 finals. 4x1, 4x2, and 200. 4 more and I'm done. And then I'm done. This vlog is gonna be a W. I don't care. Today I can't vlog that much because I have so much to do. I have a full day.
Let us
in fourth place with a time of 1:45.57, Hartford County. Why is some brains less off? In fourth place with a time of 12.29, a junior from Hartford County, Jada Miller. Congratulations, ladies.
Jenna, smile, you on camera. Leaving the track meet now, guys. I run a slower time than I did at regionals. It's really just on L for real. Honestly, I was sad, but no. No, I'm not even happy. I'm just accepting the fact that I'm probably not gonna go pro. Not because I can't, but because I don't want to.
I want Chipotle.
Yeah, I want Chipotle too. I'm gonna just travel the world, actually. Like, I'm gonna run track in college, but I'm not going pro. We're gonna try the sushi. No, he didn't get soy sauce. And this one.
What does it taste like?
It's really good. What you give it? What did you give it, sister? I'm gonna a 9. It's good. What's this? They have this thing on the side. Jada's in the bathroom, guys, and I have her wallet. And you know what that means?
Let's do a
Jada wallet.
What's it in a jelly?
I want to know a secret.
The AirPods.
Yes.
Then we have a card. Then we have her little license. We're not gonna show that, okay? We got some receipts. We got
It's
debit
her permit,
cards.
not her license.
Oh
Sorry.
yeah, apartment. Yeah, you know, Jada's the baby. And then we got the Louis Vuitton bag. Yeah.
He's doing.
We gotta go in the bathroom with her. Come on, guys.
Girl. What the heck? Why did you just turn the camera around? Oh, hi. Hi. What's that? It's wrong.
Me. She fucking, she know what she doing, B.